Greetings one and all, how's everyone doing? I hope well. Happy Friday. It is the 14th of August and I wanted to answer a quick question. Why do I always wear the same clothing in my videos? Well, for one thing, when I go out and shoot, when I go out to shoot videos, I might end up shooting, 5, 6, 7, 8 videos, like full length, like 15 and 20 minute videos in the same trip. For example, I went out and I did the tent camping videos. Well, the cast iron cooking, there's 2 cast iron cooking videos in there, and then there's the video I just uploaded today, which was how I keep my tent clean and fresh. Well, that was all shot in the same 24-hour period. I showed up, I set up my tent, I put the sleeping pads in, I got the blankets out, I killed the camera, I sat down by the river, recorded. I went, I waited till evening and I cooked dinner, which was a separate video because I like to do 15-20 minute increments at most. Sometimes they run a little long, sometimes it can't be helped, but as ease of viewing is why I do that, because as a viewer, I don't like having long videos eat up a lot of my time. Like, I can just sit there and just pound through 5, 6, 7 videos either at work or at home on my day off, and I'm not having to commit to, well, I gotta sit here an hour and a half and watch your video. Not that I don't enjoy your video, but sometimes, time is precious. Like, I might have something going on, or I'm getting ready to go to work soon. Like, 2 days a week I work the swing shift, so I have the mornings to chill, so I gotta edit video, answer comments, which I appreciate. Then I go to my subs and I watch videos, and I've been watching, lately I've been really preoccupied with this channel called Ask A Mortician. It's a lot about, death and cremation and everything else. It's a really good channel, and the lady who does it is really entertaining, so that's been, I'll link her channel below. Not that she needs help, she's got like 1.18 million views or subscribers, so it's like, she's quite popular. So anyway, let me turn the camera down and I'll show you the. Okay, so I specifically have outdoor outfits. Now, I've been wearing these pants, these same 511 pants, since I started my channel. And I forgot to check what the date of the first video upload, so I'm going to pause it and I'll be right back. Alrighty, so it was February 6, 2014 was my first video. And when I shot that video, I was probably wearing these pants. Pretty good chance. Because, they're worn. I've done video on 511 pants. I mean, I've got rips in these. I've got, I've got a hole right here from Ember. The knife pocket is kind of shredded. But, you know what? I don't have any holes in the knees. I don't have any holes in the crotch. I mean, they're faded. I mean, they're definitely faded because of multiple washings. But, the down here is all shredded. But I would still wear these. In fact, I was wearing them when I did my cleanup day video. In fact, I can show you real quick, because I just washed these. You can see the difference in color. Actually, are these the new ones? No, these aren't the new ones. These are my other pair. These are my new ones. So you can see the difference in the color. I mean, these are faded. Well, I guess you can't see that super well. I'll tip that down. Anyway, yeah, so these are brand new. I bought these this year. Like 5-6 months ago. I wear these for work, which is why I have them separated. And, pretty different. You can see the difference in the, how faded they are. So that's that. And these are the ones I've had probably 6 years. I keep everything on hangers. They've got a little wear, but You know, I'll wear these around town. I'll wear them to the grocery store. I'll wear them, you know, wherever. So, yeah. So these are my outdoor outfits. And, you know, recently I've been wearing these new ones. These are brand spanking new. I bought them at the same time as the other one. Again, 511. I only wear these to the outdoors. I don't wear them anywhere else. So, you know, if I'm still making videos in 10 years, I'll probably be still wearing these same pants. Unless, you know, something happens or they get a big rip. The Hidden t-shirts, Hidden Woodsman t-shirts, same thing. Got these at the hiddenwoodsman.com. I'll just reach in, randomly grab one out of the closet and, you know, throw it on. It might be the same shirt I wore a week prior, because I hadn't worn them until I only wear them on the outdoors, and I don't really think about the rotation. I'll just reach in and grab a shirt. So I might end up accidentally wearing the same shirt again. So, you know, and then there's these green t-shirts, which I did a video on these a long time ago, like I think 5 years. You know, they're a Rothko brand. But, you know, I keep wearing them because it's like, you know, there's no rips anywhere in the shirt. There's no rips in the pit. There's no rips in the front. You know, I mean, they're definitely got some wear and tear. I mean, they actually don't really have any wear and tear. I mean, there's no threads out of place. You know, for Rothko, I'm pretty amazed. I figured I'd be changing these out. Every couple of years, but they've just been home. So yeah, I'm kind of looking at it like, you know, why am I gonna go out and buy brand new clothes when the stuff I have is working? You know, plus, as I've said in, you know, quite a few videos, I'm pretty cheap, so it's like I'm not gonna go out and just keep buying new outfits just so I can make videos. I'll just keep wearing what I'm wearing as long as it's holding up. I mean, I don't know. I mean, I have outer layers. I've got, where is it? You know, I've got this long sleeve, I got this from Oregon Mike, quite a while ago, but, you know, again, I wear this a lot, like over the green t-shirts, because it's kind of a warm layer, so I wear this. You know, I've got a few. You know, I've worn these like the park and stuff. You know, Your Mom Rated E for Everyone. It's kind of a funny shirt. You know, I have other shirts, you know, that I've worn, you know, to the park and whatnot, just because I'm at the park. Like, you know, words on a shirt. So I've got, you know, clothes I rotate through. So it's not like I'm, you know, the two shirts I have hanging in the closet, I mean, you know, they're hanging up because I washed them, and all I do is oh, this one actually has a hole in the back. No problem. You know, when I wash them, I hang them up wet so they air dry. So, and I just throw them in the closet. And I got another pair of 511 pants. Yeah, they're all black. You know, I wore them for work. And then when I'm home, you know, it's just, I wore, you know, gray t-shirt I got from my last job that was for a job before last, because I just had a big cart, literally a big aluminum shelving rack full of t-shirts. I just wear them around the house because, you know, I'm not going to wear my, you know, everyday, I'm not going to wear my regular clothes, you know, when I'm cleaning the bathroom or taking out the trash. I'll just throw this on because I don't care what happens to it. It was free. I actually got 3 of these. I mean, literally 3 of the exact same size. So I wear them around the house, you know, with a pair of sweats. So, yeah. Yeah, it's not like I have, you know, a ton of clothes, but, you know, I have a few outfits, you know. Woods, casual, home, and in work. I mean, I got a Under Armour long sleeve for when it gets cold out. You know, and then I have my work shirt, which I just washed because I got to work tomorrow. So, and then I have white. Just these are 511 basically t-shirts. They are 100% polyester, and I wear them because they dry quick when you're sweating. Which, you know, it's supposed to be in the mid-90s this weekend. So when I'm walking around doing my job, I may be getting hot and stuff. So. Alright, well, I hope that answers your question. Maybe you've been wondering, maybe you haven't. As always, I appreciate you watching. I really appreciate your comments, your support, and catch you in the next one. Peace.